Hey guys, Pop Scrap here. I have to get my finger out and start processing stuff because I have another pickup in the morning. Probably another bootload again, and probably back seats because I was told to bring my trailer with me. I'm processing away here at the minute. I'm just basically nearly full. I've scrapped out a few of these. You can see my hands have been scrapping away here, starting to make room here on this far side. I wonder, is this stainless steel? I presume it is. It's non-magnetic. I've thrown it in there to do bucket just for the time being until someone puts a comment in and let me know what the crack is with it. So, there's nothing really spectacular what I'm doing. It's just consistently processing, breaking down. More wires. And this is basically full out, probably another 2 to 3 inches, 4 inches maybe of room in it, and I have to start processing that then. Oh, the joys of it. It's never ending. It's a good complaint though, because there's times I never had scrap and I was looking for it, and I'm never running out of scrap now at the minute, which is a good complaint. Sorry, cut. I got a comment saying that I should cut high up on the plugs for the extra weight, which is right actually, because if I leave it on the plug it's no good to me. More wire. Just keep throwing the wire away or into the containers. Now we'll test this and see what this is. Doesn't stick at all. So the pipe grips was brand new too, with tag and everything on it. Crazy. Steel. But I had no use for anything like that. I get this every day, you know. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. How about? It's the cable in it that's stopping it. Bit of wire in it. See it moving around. I have it tightened so much, pulled. So we get the cable out of the bottom. Hold it. There we go. Another piece of cable. Scrap heavy steel. And it goes into the do. Take the brass out of that again in time. It's going to happen now. I'm going to have to stop doing, put stuff into the to-do container because the to-do one has gone crazy full. So now I'll show you too at the end of the video a few things that I did scrap out. I got a nice little copper container. Thanks to my brother, and a few little bits of brass and things. So see, just pulling the wire over and all the other electrical, just chomping at the bit. Bin won't be long, another bin won't be long filling up a wire. The way things are going with me. This could be look like an oldie. I think I did test this. I think that's plastic. Where is it? I don't think that is plastic actually. It is plastic, yeah. But always on these, there's always a brass kind of washer or a brass nut. Let's take this off. I'm kind of speeding up today, scrapping, even making this video because I'm under pressure, guys. I'm under pressure. I'm running out of space to even stand here now. That's my own fault. I'm not taking things apart quick enough. I know I'm trying to get stuff on video for you always, but this is a very old one. So the wire's cut there, so I'll just screw this off. That should pull up through. There we go. And there's a little wash or a little bolt here on that. It should be brass. Yeah, that's going to come off. Little brass nut. Just holding everything on. Should be brass. Yeah. Put it over there to the side. It's all plastic and glass, so we won't mess with that. The brass out again, and the rest is little bits of wire. So that's why I'm at now, processing like this. Right, more. Ooh, dirty old fly catcher. Won't be anything in this. Put the plug and show you. There'll be nothing in that. Just scrap out. Put that there. Run it into wire. You can see how the plugs add up very fast for me, so when it comes in like this, it's a bit crazy at times. So, wire, there's nothing basically in this, it's just, well, be aluminium and a bit of a motor maybe in it. We'll open it up and see, will we? And we have a peep. Just for curiosity's sake. Now, let's clear this up for a second. We'll have a look at that and see. There's probably aluminium and things in it, but I won't say there's anything mad to go, or anything to go wild about inside. I have my cordless on charge. One out. These screws are pretty handy too, we'll be holding on screws like that. There we go, should pop out. Yeah, just what I was thinking. Just dirty aluminium really. I know there's a bit of silver in it and things like that, but at the minute it's not really worth scrapping that out. For the weight wise, the time I'd have to spend at it for what's in it, to get me. More of this wire. Container. Coffee kind of maker here. I'm gonna cut more wires out of the way, stop me from moving. Coffee maker. Unusual wire to it. Very posh. Not no more. Now, this is weight. Just heavy here. Now, is it worth scrapping out? We're going to find out. We have a certain screw here. Or just for holding water. That I don't know. It is heavy. No screws there. It's one of them funny bits. So, now to trusty case. What one would you be? Right, let's try this one. Ooh, one off. Smaller again. Ooh, smaller again. Very handy, these sets. Always the same bits I'm losing. It's the same one I picked up the last time. Nope. Don't think I have any smaller, do I? Oh, yes, now it's the one with the hole in the middle. Right. Probably this size. Smaller again. Right. Is that the right one? Just one of these ones. There's so many different bits, it's crazy. There we go. Jackpot. Now, I'm going to use this. I'm just curious to see what's in it. Let's aside for a minute. Let's see what else we have. If anything else to come out. I think I'll have to hit this with the hammer because there's wiring in it. Hey, it looks like there's aluminium in it. It should just split apart, to be honest with you, by looking at it. I know you're probably looking at me here saying, oh, like, do this, do that. But separating, is it? I don't think this is made to separate, guys. I think when it breaks, it's gone. There we go. There's a little clip together it is. Oh yeah, there's some bits in it. Now let me test this. Is this all alley or what is it? Yeah, that's more like it. That looks pretty good to me. More taken apart because of the weight of the aluminium. Something new, something different to take apart. Yeah. Right, let's cut some of these pipes away. Troiled, it's a transformer here. Some sort on a spring, so we release the spring. There we go. I presume that's, oh, that spring went flying at me. Always hold on to the springs, very handy to have. Just never know what kind of job you're going to get. I presume that's a transformer of some sort. And this, how do you come out, buddy? Taking no prisoners tonight. Too much to do. And too little time. I was thinking, when I build a shed and I get through the scrap a lot quicker. I'm so wrong. Coming in too quick now. As I said there for my brother, I picked up from him today, you can't say no to it because it's good scrap. How do you come out? Oh, something clicked. Right. That's just like aluminium just. You can get that out. There's a bit of weight to it. You're going to come out like that. You're pushing through it, I am. I cannot find where that's held. I see where it's held, but something to do with this. God damn it, a couple of screws there too to take apart. Right. First things first, put this away. How long is this video? 15 minutes. Jeez, not too bad. Oh, it was longer than that. Messing with these little things. But I was curious, never took one apart. That charge and that battery should be pretty good. So we'll just charge her up. We have enough, so got this. Yeah, enough of juice in it now. Give me any movement? No. God damn it. We're going into dirty aluminium. Guys, I ain't got the time for that. And the patience. Right, what else have we got? Old Faithful. Cut the wires off at first. Bit of brass in this, lads. Can't beat it. I love my brass. These are my Old Faithful. They're all brass going around. So it's just simple to break apart because there's nothing holding them basically. So you just put the screwdriver in there without taking your fingers off. Bend it back. So all it is pure brass. There we go. It actually is pretty a bit of weight to it. Yeah, bits of brass everywhere here. Cut off these little bleeding somewhere. I see blood, but I don't see where I'm cut. So, nice piece of little brass. Take these lugs off. Right. Need a little sharp screwdriver for that one. A little sharper. More brass. Like a little cane for whipping. Just make this screw here without damaging it. So I damaged the last screw. Get that out. You can't leave the brass after me. Yeah, just pull it out, will you? Big springs. You can save this side. If it'll snap out. Not as much to grip. Into the two. 3 little pieces of nice little brass. Can't beat it. Can't believe how fast the brass is adding up. It's crazy. So, just want to do a little one there for you again, just to show you what I'm hitting at. See the pile's going down here. It's going to be gone tonight. All this is all new. What came in, I showed you in a little fast clip. Have to tomorrow to cut the brass off these. It's thick copper, plug, nice heavy big light, nice transformer hopefully in that, and the rest electrical has to come apart. So keep going at this, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. See you all in the next. Bye.